The beginning of a deep well. So a little update, 9:30. Saturday morning. Day 3. Day 3 just started. The big started to come. Some water. Day 4 on the deep well digging. I've been out all day, but it's now 4 p.m. And we hit stone. Big stone today. We're over here. Tuesday, day 5. They just started taking up all the water. After lunch, and we're still at it. Not the best light here. There it was. Getting really deep. They will leave the edge like that and then only dig in the middle now.
That's the one who will build the cement.
They will build the cement around the edges here. And then up with hollow blocks all the way up here.
Yeah.
Start of day 6. Starting in the morning, empty the water. 7:30 a.m. We found water, 13 feet. We are finished digging the deep well. This is the newest model. Now they started the framework. Building. It's going good. Yeah, communication is not the best, but it's all good. And some more cement being delivered. 3 layers more. There'll come 3 layers more. 3 layers of hollow block more.
Oi.
This is as high as it will get.
Huh?
The polish and finish has begun of the deep well. Monday morning. The finished result on the inside. Last day making the top. The deep well is finished. But this is the finished result. pretty damn happy about it. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.